So in this video we're just going to be changing a taillight bulb on a Toyota Corolla Verso. First thing to do is get into the boot and remove this access panel. There we go. To get to the back of it. Then bulb holder here. It's just on a couple of tabs. Not sure whether you're going to see it. It's at the top there. So we're just going to have to wriggle that out. Might be easier to remove the wiring block connector. Simply pinch and pull to remove the block connector. Then we've just got to wrestle the bulb holder out. It's quite tight in here and you don't want to break off any of the bulbs as you're doing so. There we go. So I've already removed this bulb because I've taken it out previously to identify which bulb that we need. So this is the bulb I'm going to be replacing it with. It's a Lucas one, just ordered that off of eBay. So you put it in, turn it anti-clockwise to lock it in place. Just going to test that all four work before refitting. There we go, that's all working now. Thank you very much for watching. If you could like and subscribe, it will help me to make more videos just like this.